Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of Versatile Knowledge. So we have a product for unboxing in this video and it's a pair of earphones by a brand called Realme. As you all know, Realme is a subsidiary brand of the Chinese smartphone manufacturer Oppo. And in this video, I'll be doing the unboxing and we'll take a first look of these pair of earphones called Realme Buds. And these are budget earphones and it is priced at around 499 rupees and I've bought it online. And to buy this earphone, the direct link will be in the description of this video. If you want to buy this product, just buy from that link. It will certainly help our channel as well. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, this is the box package of the Realme Buds earphones. As you can see, Realme Buds in-ear earphones has been written on the top surface, and on this surface there is just the Realme branding, and on this surface there is the Realme branding again, and on this surface there are some details that has been mentioned about the recycling of this product or something. As you guys can see, since it is manufactured by a Chinese company, some Chinese address has been written. And on the rear side of the box there are a few details like Realme Buds, the model number, the speaker size which is 11mm, rated power which is 3 milliwatt, and the impedance which has been written which is 32 ohms. The price of this product has been mentioned as 699 rupees, which is not true. The price of this product is available as low as 499 rupees. As you guys can see, it says it has been imported by Oppo Mobiles India Private Limited -- So this is the box package. Let's open the box package and check out the components of the box itself. So guys, this is how the earphone looks like when it is placed inside the box. Infamous Realme slogan, proud to be young, has been written on the box. Well, when we open this, the wires has been present on the inner surface. Let's open the earphones from the box itself. Well, they have done a very good job in introducing high quality braided cable on the lower surface of the earphones. The part of the earphones right from this clip to the point where it gets connected to the phone has braided quality cable. This certainly helps in the durability of the earphones as well. And the upper part of the earphones, which contains the earbuds, has been manufactured by normal quality rubber. And one of the most important qualities of these earphones are on the bottom portion of these earbuds, there are magnets with the help of which you can just directly attach these ear tips to each other, and this feature can protect the earphones from falling off your neck every time when you're using it. Well, let's take a look at what are the other components that is present inside the box. On this portion, we have got this pair of ear tips. If this doesn't fit properly in your ears, you can use these pair of extra ear tips to make sure this earphone fits in your ear properly. And we have got a user guide which says please read carefully the user guide before using the product. Well, we certainly read this user guide before using the earphones, don't we? Well, coming on to the earphones, there is this 3.5mm headphone jack which gets connected to the smartphones and other devices which has a 3.5mm headphone jack. And this is the braided cable which I said earlier has really good build quality on it. Well, on this portion of the earphones, we have these three buttons: the volume up button, volume down button, and a button for answering and declining of calls. I found these buttons to be really tight and pressing off these buttons were not that easy as well. This is the main portion of the whole earphones, guys. It has these magnetic tips with the help of which it gets connected to one another, and there is this Realme branding that is present on both the ear tips. And a very interesting thing that I found out is there is this L and R demarcation that is present on both the left and right earphones, which helps you to identify which is the left earbud and which is the right earbud. As far as basic design goes, Realme Buds are fairly low standard and low cost earphones as well. They have in-ear fit and silicone ear tips, and it has 1 meter long cable, and all the basic features that are needed for a 499 rupee earphone are just right in place. One of the most important feature of this Realme earbuds is the Kevlar fiber cable that has been wrapped below the Y splitter for durability, and the magnetic clamping system that helps for easier carrying of these earphones. The 3-button remote on the earphones also works as expected, which helps to control the volume and the music playback as well. And the call control options are also compatible in most of your devices. And the sound quality of these earphones that I found from my usage from the last couple of hours has not been fantastic yet. And before shooting this unboxing video, I had already opened the box of these earphones and I was listening to a few songs on these earphones. Well, I have to admit the fact that the sound quality is actually not that fantastic, but we can't expect more from the pair of earphones which is priced at 499 rupees. I'll use this product for a few more days for myself, and then I'll come up with my final verdict about whether you have to buy these pair of earphones or not. One really positive thing about the sound quality of these earphones that I found found out from my first impression is that it gets really loud, which can be really not peaceful for some users, but some users certainly like the loudness from the earphones as well. Since this is the first pair of earphones that Realme is launching in the country, we don't have to be too harsh on its verdict as well. With that said, we'll be using this product completely in and out, and we'll use it to its extreme levels before giving you guys one opinion that will help you to make your purchase decision on these earphones. So that was it for the unboxing video, guys. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content ahead.